Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's just Tech. Today we are going to talk about the part 2 video of the ribbon keywords and shortcuts. Okay, you can navigate these types of the tab: home tab, insert, design tab, layout tab, and reference tab, mailing tabs, like different tabs with pressing the simple Alt key. Okay, suppose I am here opening one document, and if I press Alt, then after here instruction is given where you want to go. Okay, to open insert tab you can simply press N, then insert tab is opened. Okay, here it's insert tab. You can open insert tabs menu, okay, with this like this instruction. If I want to insert the pictures, then press P, then it will open the pictures. Okay, this is the nice area. Simply pressing Alt, you can get the instructions. If you want to go to the design tab, and simply press G, yeah, then after you can see here all the menus shortcuts is given here. Okay, if you want to keep the watermark, then after you simply press the PW, yeah, watermark is open here. Okay, this is the very nice trick and nice idea you can use at the document, office document. Okay, now next, yeah, Alt Q is used to open the search bar at the document. Okay, suppose I'm going hit here, and if I press the Alt then Q, here the search bar is open here at the MS Word. Okay, this is tell me what you want to search. Okay, this is the very nice area. You can search from here whatever you want to know about the MS Word. Okay, now next, Alt F is going to open the file tab. Okay, you can open the file menu or file tab using the Alt F at the document. Yeah, if I jump here, and if you want to open this file tab with shortcuts, then simply press Alt and F. Yes, it's open here, and we're using these types of the shortcuts. You can print, share, save, and open the document. Okay, this is the nice area. Suppose if I want to print the document, then simply here instruction P is given here, then after press P, and this open the print command here, you can see, and you can print with this P. Okay, this is a very nice trick. Now next, Alt as is used to open the home tab. Okay, the Alt tab will open the home tab at the MS Word. If I simply press Alt as, then after it open the home tab, then it gives all the shortcuts or the menus of the home tabs. Okay, this is a nice area. Now next, Alt N. What is the work of Alt N? Alt N, insert tab. To insert tab, to open the insert tab, you can use the Alt N. Okay, simply you can press Alt and N to open the insert tab. Alt Z is used to open the design tab. Okay, you can open design tab using the Alt Z. Suppose here if I press here Alt and Z, and it will open the design tab. Okay, now next, Alt V open the layout tab. Okay, you can open the layout tab using the Alt P. If I press Alt P, then here the layout tab is open here. Okay, it's a nice idea. And now next, Alt S open the reference tab to add the table of the contents, footnotes, endnotes, citations. Okay, you can press simply at going to the document, and you can press the Alt S open the reference tab. Okay, very good. Mailing tabs, to open the mail merge or the mail merge tags, you can simply press the Alt M shortcut key to open the mailing tab. Alt M, press Alt and M to open the mailing tab. Yes, this is open here. Now Alt R open the review tab, you can open the review tab to check the spell check, style proofing languages, and track to the review and changes to document. You can use the simple Alt R tab, Alt R shortcut. I'm here document, then if I press the Alt and R, it will the review tab. Okay, you can here check the spelling, thesaurus, words count, and okay, there's so many menus are given here. Now next, Alt W. The Alt W open the view tab. Okay, Alt W open the view tab. You can also set the zoom magnification of the multiple document of the Windows. Alt W. This is the view tab. Okay, view tab is open here. From here you can use the zooming and okay, print layout, read layout, web layout mode. These are the nice trick, and these are the ribbon tabs menus. Okay, I'm talking about. Now next, select the active tab on the ribbon and activate the access keys. Okay, to select the active tab at the ribbon, you can use the Alt or the F10 to move a different tab. Okay, this is the very simple. Go to the document, then after press simply Alt, and you can move different tabs with using this type of the shortcuts. Okay, if you want to press simple M, then you will go to the mailing tabs. Yeah, mailing tab is open. This is also nice trick. Tab key or shift tab, move the focus to the command on ribbon. You can move the focused command on the ribbon using the tab key or the shift tab. Simply pressing the tab key, you can move the command. Okay, at the ribbon. You can see here it going. Home tab. Simply pressing tab, you can go to the menus. Okay, this is the nice trick. Move between the command, grouping the ribbon. You can use Ctrl left or the right arrow. Okay, if I go to the document, then after press Alt, then after go to the S home tab, then after you can use arrow. Okay, to switch the tab like this. It's not moving. If I press Alt, then if I press home, then it will move the tab menus. This is the nice trick, guys. Move among the items ribbons. Okay, that is I am already told about. Show the tooltip for the ribbon element current in focus. Ctrl Shift M is Ctrl Shift F10 is used to show the tooltip for the ribbon element currently in focus. Okay, the shortcut is Ctrl Shift F10. If I press Ctrl Shift F10, Ctrl Shift F10. Okay, it's not working at my document. Okay, now let's go back. Next, activate the selected button. You can activate the selected button by pressing the space bar or the enter. Just like this, you can activate the selected bar by pressing enter also. Open the list for the selected command. Open the list of the selected command. Down arrow. Down arrow is used to open the selected command. Okay, if I select this, and if I use down arrow, then this is also used to open the selected command. Alt down arrow, open the menu for the selected button. You can open the menu of the selected button using the Alt down arrow. Alt and after down arrow. Now next, down arrow. When a menu or submenu is open, move to the next command. You can move to the next command by using the down arrow key. Suppose I'm here pressing the Alt, and if you want to move this type of the menus, then simply you can use the down arrow. Okay, now next, Ctrl F1. The Ctrl F1 is used to expand or collapse the ribbon. Okay, sometimes our ribbon is hide. Okay, so it's this tab are shown here but menus are not here. Okay, for open this you can simply press Ctrl F1. To hide this you can simply press Ctrl F1. Okay, same shortcut is used to show and hide. This is the one of the very useful shortcuts. Okay, if you have problem. And open the context menu, you can use Shift F10, or on Windows keyboard the Windows menu key between the right Alt and right Control keys. Okay, Shift F10 is used to open the context menu. You can press Shift then after F10. Yeah, you can open this menu, context menu. Okay, by pressing that shortcut keys Shift F10. Left arrow, what is the workaround? Move to the sub menu when the menu bar is open. You can use left arrow. Okay, I have already told about this. If I press Alt, then after it's open here, then if I press S, then it is open, and you can move by pressing this left arrow to the menus. Okay, by pressing tab and left menu you can switch between the menus. Okay, these are the nice tricks and nice idea. Now let's jump. Okay guys, this much today. And in the next part video we'll talk about the navigating of the documents. How can we navigate with the keyboard shortcuts? Okay, and this will help you while working at a document. It makes you work fast. Okay, while working the document. Okay, in the third part we will talk about the navigating the documents. Okay guys, keep watching, do support, keep supporting me and share, comment, and okay guys, thanks for watching. See you later.